going on, guys? I'm Ben at Blue Creek Marina, and today we're going to kind of run you through how to take your Barletta Bimini top out of its Bimini boot, and then how to set it up, and whenever you're done with it, how to put it back into its Bimini boot. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lower these small legs so that whenever we lower down the Bimini to take the canvas out of the boot, it'll have something to rest on. So we're going to come over here and press down on the canopy button. And that should set these little legs right onto its little landing pad down here. Next, we're just going to unclip these snaps, the Velcro on both sides. So that side and then over here. Now in the middle, we'll find two zippers that we'll be able to pull to each side to release the canvas. The last thing that you kind of got to do is you have to pull the Bimini boot over the anchor right here. And that will now be ready to go. Just a quick little tip. A lot of times after the canvas has been in the boot for a while, it can get kind of wrapped up on itself. So what you want to do is kind of let this hang so that whenever you go to put the Bimini up, it won't get caught on itself. Now that we took the Bimini boot out, we're going to come back over here and raise it up. Once we have these front legs hovering right above the quick connect, we're just going to pull down and snap it in. And the reason that you pull down is it just tightens the canvas. So we'll do that on both sides. And now once those quick connects are in, you're ready to ride. There's tension pulling down on the top of the canvas, and your fabric up here is going to be tight. Say you get off the water now. You're into the day and you want to wrap it back up into the Bimini boot. We're pretty much just going to reverse the process. We're going to pull both legs out, and after we do that, then we'll go ahead and lower the Bimini down onto its back small leg so that it's in a position to where we can put the Bimini boot back on. Now that we have the Bimini resting on its smaller legs, we're just going to try to wrap the canvas up so that it makes it easier to fit it into the boot. And once we've had it nice and snug, we're going to again put the boot over the ankle light. So we're going to put the light right through this little hole that we find in your boot. And then from there, we can come over here and start zipping. So we'll wrap it up tight here, and you want to start with the zipper. So you want to come here and get the zip, I guess you could say, started. And that's when you can come in. You can come in and Velcro and snap it. And from there, all you're going to do is just pull to the inside. Make sure it's all nice and tight. And then just do the exact same thing with this other side. Once you have both sides zipped all the way into the middle, all you got to do is just tuck the zippers and strap this over it. And that just stops it from coming unzipped. Then, unless you want to run around with it down like this, you can go ahead and put it back up to a 45-degree angle.